Right now, millions of Americans are handing over $1,800, $2,000, even $2,500 every single month in rent, with nothing to show for it year's end. But scattered across this country, a new wave of modern farmhouses is quietly rewriting that story. These homes, with vaulted ceilings, wide-open kitchens, wraparound porches, and acres of land, are coming in at monthly mortgage payments that are lower than what most people pay for a cramped one-bedroom apartment. Today, we are counting down 10 of the most stunning, most affordable modern farmhouses available in 2026. And the final home on this list? It may completely change the way you think about what's possible. Stay all the way to number 1, because the reveal is worth it. Welcome to Modern Luxury Homes USA, the channel proving every week that beautiful, spacious, quality living does not have to cost a fortune. In today's countdown, you'll discover 10 real modern farmhouses with estimated prices that will truly surprise you. The interior and exterior features giving these homes a luxury feel. Which markets are delivering the most space for the least money, and the one farmhouse that stands above all the rest. If you enjoy discovering affordable luxury homes across America, subscribe right now and turn on notifications so you never miss our newest home tours. Let's get into the countdown. Before we get to the homes, here's the number that explains why modern farmhouses are exploding right now. $1,631. That's the national average rent for a one-bedroom apartment in 2026. In cities like Los Angeles, Austin, and Miami, that number climbs to $2,500, even $4,000, for a unit you'll never own a single brick of. Every dollar goes straight to a landlord. No equity, no ownership, no return. At the same time, remote work has permanently changed where people are willing to live. Lose the 5-day commute downtown, and trading a cramped city apartment for a spacious farmhouse on quiet land stops sounding like a fantasy and starts sounding like common sense. Add a generation of buyers who are done with paper-thin walls, HOA fees, and zero outdoor space, and the surge toward rural property makes complete sense. People want peace. They want land. And what you're about to see proves they can have both for less than they're already paying to rent a box in the sky. Let's get into the 10 homes, proving that affordable does not have to mean ordinary. Here's the thing. Not every home calling itself a modern farmhouse actually earns the title. Some are the real deal. Others are vinyl siding wearing costume. Before we start the tour, let's break down exactly what separates the two, because every feature on this list is about to show up again and again over the next 10 homes. First, the wraparound porch. Nothing signals farmhouse living like a deep front porch with room for rocking chairs and uninterrupted views of open land. Then the open floor plan, where kitchen, dining, and living areas flow together, making even modest square footage feel expansive. Vaulted ceilings and large windows bring in natural light and make every room feel bigger than it is, paired with black-framed windows against white board-and-batten siding. That contrast is simply striking. Inside, look for large farmhouse kitchens with center islands, apron sinks, and shaker cabinetry. Add natural wood accents, exposed beams, and a stone fireplace around, and you have a space that feels noticeably upscale without the luxury price. Finally, the outdoor living areas, decks, fire pits, covered patios, and land. Lots of land. Keep this list in your head, because the very first home we're about to show you checks almost every box on it. And the price is going to make you do a double take. Mississippi, $89,000. Let's start with a number that sounds almost impossible, $89,000. For that price, you're not getting a fixer-upper. You're getting a fully updated farmhouse on a private acre in rural Mississippi. The exterior delivers classic farmhouse character. White vertical siding, a covered front porch with just enough room for a pair of rocking chairs, and just over 1 acre of flat usable land with mature shade trees. Inside, the layout is compact but thoughtfully designed. Living opens directly into dining, giving the main floor a connected feel. The kitchen features updated white cabinetry, a stainless farmhouse sink, and solid counter space. 3 bedrooms, and the primary has its own en-suite bath, a detail you don't always get at this price point. With a USDA loan at 0 down and a rate around 6.2%, the estimated all-in monthly payment here is approximately $550 to $650. That is hundreds less than the average U.S. apartment rent. The next farmhouse offers even more space without a massive jump in price. Arkansas, $115,000. Add about $26,000 to that first price, and the upgrade is obvious. Board and batten white siding, black window frames, and a covered porch stretching the full width of the house. Real curb appeal. Inside, the open-concept kitchen features shaker cabinets and granite-look countertops with a peninsula bar. The primary suite includes a walk-in closet, and the 2-acre backyard is fully fenced, perfect for kids or a garden. Estimated payment: approximately $720 to $800 per month all in. Tennessee, $134,000. This next one keeps the price low, but completely changes the kitchen game. Deep navy lower cabinets with white uppers, a large farmhouse apron sink, open floating shelves, and a central island with bar seating. It looks like it belongs in a home costing 3 times as much. Add a shiplap accent wall, barn door to the laundry room, and a double vanity primary bath. And this home is punching well above its price tag. Estimated payment: approximately $835 to $920 per month all in. One of the next homes has a feature you'd normally only expect in a true luxury property. Missouri, $148,000. This is the one that stops you before you even reach the front door. White board and batten siding, black window frames, a dark metal roof, and a wraparound porch with cedar column accents. It is magazine-worthy. A gravel driveway winds through mature oak trees on a 4-acre lot, with a detached 2-car garage finished to match. Inside, vaulted ceilings, white quartz kitchen countertops, subway tile backsplash, and a primary suite with a soaking tub. Estimated payment: approximately $920 to $1,020 per month all in. Standout detail: the wraparound porch and that metal roof. This home photographs like a dream and lives like one too. 5 homes down, 5 to go, and if you're already pulling up listings near you, good. That's exactly the reaction we're going for. Because what you've seen so far proves something important. Thoughtful design, real land, and modern finishes are available at prices that challenge what most buyers believe is possible in 2026. But the next 5 take value to a completely different level. One could be easily mistaken for a custom-built luxury estate. Another has an outdoor living setup that most homeowners with twice the budget can only dream about. Stay with us. The best is still ahead. Indiana, $162,000. Now we cross into 6 figures with a real jump in finish quality, and it starts with a primary suite. Think of freestanding soaking tub, walk-in tile shower, double vanity with gold hardware, and tray ceilings. These are details people typically pay $400,000 to get. The kitchen adds a 10-foot waterfall quartz island, under cabinet lighting, and a pot filler faucet. A 3-car garage with carriage doors and a covered back porch round out an impressive package. Estimated payment: approximately $1,010 to $1,110 per month all in. What sets it apart? That primary suite. It belongs in a design magazine. Ohio, $178,000. If you need real room to grow, this is the one to watch. 4 large bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, so no one is waiting in line on school mornings. A coffered ceiling in the main living area, hardwood floors, a gas fireplace with white shiplap surround, and a kitchen with double ovens, a walk-in pantry, and a butler's pantry. 5 usable acres and a rear deck positioned perfectly for sunset views. Estimated payment: approximately $1,110 to $1,220 per month all in. Worth pointing out, 3 full baths and 5 acres at this price is exceptional. Wait until you see the next one. It completely changes expectations for affordable farmhouse living. Alabama, $192,000. This next home is the one most buyers completely overlook, and that's exactly why it's such good value. The exterior is flawless. Black metal roof, white board and batten, a deep wraparound porch with cedar ceiling and industrial fans. Inside, a 12-foot great room ceiling with exposed beams, a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, a two-tone kitchen with an extra-wide island, and a pot filler faucet over the commercial-style gas range. Why is this home underrated? Alabama. Most buyers aren't thinking Alabama when they imagine their dream farmhouse, which means prices are still reasonable and competition is lower. This is exactly the kind of market where smart, intentional buyers win. Estimated payment: approximately $1,190 to $1,310 per month all in. Best fit: a couple or small family who wants the luxury look without paying the luxury price. Kentucky, $215,000. We're entering the final stretch now, and this is the biggest home yet, both in square footage and in how much house your money actually buys. 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, 2 living areas, a formal dining room, a mudroom with custom built-ins, and a covered outdoor living area with a stamped concrete patio, a wood-burning outdoor fireplace, and a cedar pergola draped in string lights. This is a forever home. The kitchen alone has a 12-foot island, double farmhouse sinks, and a pass-through window to the outdoor entertaining space. On 8 acres with a detached workshop and a small pond. Estimated payment: approximately $1,340 to $1,460 per month all in. Most people expect this to be the winner, but the final 2 homes raise the bar even higher. North Carolina, $238,000. By now you'd think the best views were behind us. This one says otherwise. Dark charcoal board and batten siding, white trim, a wraparound porch with white railing, and a standing seam matte black metal roof. Against the backdrop of the Blue Ridge foothills, this home photographs like a lifestyle brand campaign. Inside, 5 bedrooms, a bonus loft, and the most complete kitchen on today's list. Custom white shaker cabinets to the ceiling, a 13-foot waterfall marble island, a 48-inch professional range, a walk-in scullery pantry with a second sink, and a built-in coffee bar. But the detail that truly elevates this home? The primary suite has its own private screened-in porch. Wake up, walk outside, and watch the morning fog lift over the hills. That is a quality of life that money usually cannot buy at this price. Estimated payment: approximately $1,490 to $1,620 per month all in. Only one farmhouse on today's list edges it out. And here it is. Farmhouse number 1, rural Tennessee. Approximately $259,000, 2,900 square feet, 5-bed/4 bath. This is the home that makes you stop scrolling. Screenshot it. Send it to someone, because nothing about it looks like it should cost $259,000. Exterior: a 3-gable roofline in dark standing seam metal. White board and batten with charcoal trim and black framed windows throughout. A wraparound porch with a porch swing, ceiling fans, and a tongue-in groove cedar ceiling. A gravel pathway through wildflower landscaping to a matching detached garage. Living room: 14-foot vaulted ceilings, exposed white oak timber beams, a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace with a live-edge oak mantel, and hardwood floors running throughout. The natural light is extraordinary. Kitchen: the finest on today's list. Custom 2-tone cabinetry, soft sage lowers, white uppers, with unlacquered brass hardware. A 14-foot leathered granite island with seating for 6. A 48-inch professional dual-fuel range with a custom plaster hood. A farmhouse apron sink overlooking the backyard. And a butler's pantry with a beverage refrigerator and a second dishwasher. Primary suite: vaulted ceiling with an exposed beam, private access to a covered back porch, a freestanding soaking tub under a skylight, a double vanity with brass faucets, a walk-in shower with a rain head and body jets, and a custom built-in closet. Outdoor living: this is where number 1 separates itself from everything else on today's list. A covered outdoor living room with an outdoor kitchen, built-in grill, bar seating, a stone wood-burning fireplace, and a cedar tongue-in groove ceiling. A private hot tub screened by vertical wooden slats. Beyond that, 10 acres of Tennessee countryside, a creek running through the back of the property, a fire pit area, a barn, and raised garden beds. Estimated all-in monthly payment with USDA financing: approximately $1,620 to $1,760. Take a moment with that number. You could own this home. 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 900 square feet, a professional kitchen, a spa primary suite, an outdoor living room, and 10 acres, for less per month than a 2-bedroom apartment in most American cities. That is what makes this farmhouse the winner. Not just because it is beautiful, but because of what it represents, the idea that the life you imagined is not as far away as you think. Before you start searching, 4 things every smart buyer should keep in mind. 1. Compare total ownership costs, not just monthly payments. Budget 1% to 2% of your home's value annually for maintenance. On a $200,000 home, that's $2,000 to $4,000 a year. 2. Think about location as a lifestyle choice. Rural living rewards people who value peace and space. If you still commute, calculate those costs honestly. 3. Choose layouts that fit your actual life, not just your imagination. A well-designed, smaller home offers more daily joy than a large one with rooms you never use. 4. Focus on long-term value. The markets today, Tennessee, North Carolina, Kentucky, Ohio, Alabama, are seeing steady appreciation. You're buying an appreciating asset, not just a beautiful home. The homes featured in this video are based on publicly available listings, builder information, and market research available at the time of production. Prices, features, financing options, and availability may change. Estimated monthly payments assume a USDA-backed loan with 0 down payment, a 30-year fixed rate of approximately 6.2%, and include estimated taxes and insurance. Actual payments will vary based on your lender, location, and credit profile. This content is for informational and educational purposes only and is not financial, real estate, or investment advice. We are not sponsored by any builder or company unless explicitly stated. Please conduct your own research and consult qualified professionals before making any purchasing decisions. Here's a quick recap of today's 10 farmhouses. Best budget option. Number 10, Mississippi. Payments as low as $550 a month. The most accessible starting point on the list. Best family farmhouse. Number 3, Kentucky. 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, 8 acres, and an outdoor fireplace built for a growing family. Best luxury appearance. Number 4, Alabama. The exterior alone looks like a luxury catalog, and Alabama pricing means you get it for a fraction of what it should cost. Best curb appeal. Number 7, Missouri. White board and batten siding, a dark metal roof, and a wraparound porch with cedar column accents. Magazine-worthy before you even walk through the door. Best overall value. Number 1, Tennessee. The grand reveal sweeps every category. These 10 farmhouses prove that thoughtful design, generous space, and comfortable living do not always come with a luxury price tag. You just have to know where to look. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 10 farmhouses would you choose to call home? Drop your answer in the comments below and tell us the one feature that sealed the deal. Is it the Tennessee kitchen, the Kentucky outdoor fireplace, or that North Carolina screened-in porch? We read every single comment. If you enjoyed today's tour, please give this video a thumbs up. It honestly helps us reach more people searching for affordable, beautiful places to live. And if you haven't subscribed yet, join the Modern Luxury Homes USA family right now. Next week, we're touring affordable barndominiums, modern tiny homes, and more incredible rural properties from across the United States. You will not want to miss it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.